Okay, so first is ground coffee. So this is the actual Alamid coffee na. And then after that, so this is about ready. Right. So after that, we are going to pour the hot water. This is good for 2 cups. Can everybody smell it?
Yes.
It's more like coffee already. As you can see, as I have poured hot water onto the grounds, it immediately reacted to the water. No, this will create a certain crust. So I'm going to break it. I'm going to stir it, and then we are on our first minute of brewing time. So again, maximum of maximum of 3 minutes, and then I'm going to put the filter and the lid just halfway, just like so, ever so lightly lang, because if you binigla, all the ground coffee will escape from the bottom going to the top, and we don't want to have bits of ground coffee. We want to have a clean cup. So this is the actual roasted coffee. This is the Alamid. If you want, you may you can smell and support the bouquet. And for every guest that will order the